Hi guys, good morning. Today is 27th of March, Monday. Nifty has opened gap down, right? And if you look into it and if you understand what I've been saying all this while, you could have मतलब ये हम लोगों को फ्राइडे को ही पता लग जाना चाहिए था कि इसका स्टांस फॉर अ वाइल विल रिमेन डाउनवर्ड्स ओनली. क्यों? क्योंकि ये देखिए ये ऊपर गई, ऊपर जाके इसने करीब 20 कैंडल्स ये लगाई हैं. मतलब शुरू हुई निफ्टी एज निफ्टी स्टार्टेड 1 2 3 आफ्टर 45 मिनट्स. इसके बाद ये हॉरिजॉन्टल ही चलती रही अंटिल 3 o'clock और 3 o'clock के बाद इसने ये नीचे बंद हुई है, राइट. ऑल्दो इट वेंट अबव 200 मूविंग एवरेज बट इट कुड नॉट सस्टेन इटसेल्फ. जो मैं आपको मेरा अगर पिछले वाला वीडियो आप देखेंगे तो देन यू विल रियलाइज दैट आई वाज सेइंग कि अगर ये इसको सपोर्ट ले लेगी तब 50-60 पॉइंट ऊपर जाएगी, बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ. निफ्टी ने सपोर्ट नहीं लिया और निफ्टी नीचे आ गई. और जैसे ही 10 मूविंग एवरेज ने 200 मूविंग एवरेज को क्रॉस किया, इट बिकेम क्वाइट क्लियर कि निफ्टी हैज अ प्लान टू गो डाउन, राइट. एंड दैट इज व्हाट इट शोड टुडे. इसने गैप डाउन अपनी ओपनिंग की और अब गिरते गिरते अब नाउ थोड़ा सा इसको अब आप इसको देखेंगे तो 30 मिनट पे देखिए इसको, 30 मिनट्स पे देखिए इसको सपोर्ट लग रहा है. ये सपोर्ट लग रहा है. अगर ये सपोर्ट लग गया तो निफ्टी हो सकता है थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगी, बट और अगर सपोज ये 10 मूविंग एवरेज क्रॉस हो जाती है और ये सपोर्ट को होल्ड नहीं कर पाती है निफ्टी, देन इट विल गो डाउन, राइट. कहां तक नीचे जाएगी, लेट्स सी दैट आल्सो. अगर इसको सपोर्ट इसने होल्ड नहीं किया तो कहां तक नीचे जाएगी. इसको कम से कम करीब ये कैश की अगर बात करें तो इसको 9000 तक आना है, और अगर हम फ्यूचर्स की बात करेंगे तो इसको करीब यहाँ से 50 पॉइंट और नीचे जाना होगा, राइट. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई फील. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट whatever I speak is 100% truth or is correct. You should always believe me, but I'm just guessing that this is what possibly may happen. So this is where, see, in 30 minutes RSI MACD has crossed, even RSI is below 40. So let's see, we'll have to wait for another 1 hour or 2 hour, probably, I don't know how long, but from looking at 15 minutes I have a feeling that Nifty plans to go down, right. All right, so now मुझे जो लगता है कि अगर निफ्टी 30 मिनट्स पे अपने सपोर्ट को नहीं होल्ड कर पाए तो इसको नीचे जाना चाहिए, इसको अच्छे से नीचे जाना चाहिए, मुझे ऐसा उम्मीद है. और इसमें कई सारे जो मेजर फैक्टर्स हैं वो ये, एक तो है रिलायंस, राइट. रिलायंस इज डाउन बाय लेट्स सी कहाँ पे है रिलायंस. इज हियर, इट्स अबाउट 25 पॉइंट्स डाउन. एंड देन all these pharma shares are also pulling it down, although Dr. Reddy थोड़ा अपने आप को संभालने की कोशिश कर रहा है. And Divis Laboratories also little bit better today, थोड़ा सा ठीक ठाक है, 16 पॉइंट्स ऊपर है. बट टाटा मोटर्स एंड टाटा DVR दे आर डाउन. सो अगर निफ्टी नीचे जाती है तो मेरे रडार पे 2 स्टॉक्स पक्का होंगे 100%, 3 स्टॉक्स पक्का होंगे. वन इज टाटा मोटर्स, ये टाटा मोटर्स है. ये टाटा मोटर्स का 15 मिनट का ग्राफ है. ये 200 मूविंग एवरेज है और ये देखिए इसने रेजिस्टेंस लेके टाटा मोटर्स नीचे आ रहा है. लेट्स सी इसका 1 डे का ग्राफ. 1 डे के ग्राफ में क्या है सिचुएशन, which is again see the 50 moving average has also crossed 200 moving average. So this is on my radar for downward trend. And then you can also see Tata Motor DVR. DVR is also, see how beautiful, I mean I believe it's a good resistance that it's showing. The graphs are so speaking about the whole trade. So these two trades are on my radar for downward direction, and including Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy is here. If Nifty goes down, this surely has capacity to go down another 100 points. So we are at 2630. So we should, this is futures. If I talk about cash, so in cash we are at 2632. So it should go down 100 more points down, which is 2532, right. 2532 या 2530 या 2525 तक इसको जाना चाहिए, ये मेरा मानना है. सो 3 शेयर्स जो मेरे रडार पे है, और चौथा डिविस लेबोरेटरी भी है. डिविस लेबोरेटरी भी है बट आज इसने काफ़ी अपने आप को संभाला है, सो इसलिए मैं थोड़ा सा हिचकिचा रही हूँ उसको बोलने में, बट स्टिल दिवस लेबोरेटरी भी मेरे रडार पे होगा। बट क्योंकि ये देखिए 1 डे में भी 200 मूविंग के बहुत बहुत नीचे है, और 15 मिनट में देखते हैं इसका क्या हाल चाल है। 15 मिनट में इसमें थोड़ा सा पॉजिटिव इसने अपना स्टांस लिया है। तो जो तीन मेरे पक्का मेरे रडार पे है फॉर डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड्स, टाटा मोटर्स, टाटा मोटर डीवीआर एंड डॉक्टर रेड्डी। दीज आर द, एंड if I find all the parameters in the right direction, then maybe Divis Laboratory। ये चार, और of course we have Reliance। ये 5 मेरे रडार पे रहेंगे for the downward direction। So you can look for appropriate signals if you want to sell। Okay, now we come to the ones which are in the positive direction। So in the positive direction, I told you the other day somebody has sent me this Jet Airways का trade। ये Jet Airways का trade है, and which I feel is very strong। इसके बहुत सारे reasons हैं, बहुत technical और बहुत ज़्यादा fundamental reasons हैं, but I will not discuss all of them। I will only tell you that this is one trade I suggest you for the month of April, right? In a while I'll tell you what you should exactly do, but before that I want to take one of the members email. The questions that he has asked me are basically here. He's asked me that I have just started trading last month with Zerodha platform, already lost almost 2 lakhs in intraday trading. Luckily I have found your YouTube channel, and now I'm learning every day, but still have lot of questions. So first question he has asked me, do you trade intraday? And the second he has asked me, you always talk about Nifty 50, but I don't get any buy option for the same. And the third point he has asked me, how do you decide your stop loss? Because all the losses are due to stop loss. As soon as my stop loss hits, at the very next moment stock goes high, I end up absolute loss. And do you use margin? Because I did all my trades, intraday trades, using margins. So I want to explain you guys, please never use margins. I somehow am against it. Reason being, when I was of in your shoes, long back, I have lost all my money just by trading in intraday and also trading with margins, right? So I will suggest not to do that ever. And I in fact felt probably that is how the stock market is trying to teach me that never use margins, because very few people become successful when they use margins. So I don't use margins. I'll tell you 3 ways to trade which will be safe and which was basically not at all using margins, right? What about talking about, then you talk about, you've asked me ki about you never get Nifty. Nifty is something, you all must really know every bit about it. Like if you understand Nifty, you will understand everything that's happening in the stock market, right? So when I will be conducting courses, it'll be a major part of my teaching what Nifty does and how Nifty behaves and how your emotions should, you should be understanding the emotions behind Nifty. And the third point is stop loss, right? So stop loss will always be hit if your trade is not correct, right? You have to be extremely careful about the trade selection, and that you should have done a day before. I'll just tell you what to avoid all this, what you need to do. And as far as the intraday trading is concerned, I usually prefer not to do it, because whenever I've lost money, I've lost money because of intraday trading only. So let's go back to here. Somewhere here, Jet Airways. So one stock that I want to give you is for the month of April is Jet Airways, right? This I told you, somebody has given it to me a few days back, and I really felt this is one of the topmost stock on my radar right now. And I'll show you. There are 3 options I'll give you to work with Jet Airways. Now, since March is about to go, what you have to do, work in the Jet Airways April future. The amount of money that you need is 69,150 if you're working in Zerodha, and keep another 10,000 extra, because in case it goes down a little bit, I want you to do this trade for good, 15-20 days. And then second thing, that it's that kind of trade as I gave you, Just Dial and Reliance Infra. ये उसी category का trade है. So the one possibility that you can do is you can take whenever you find appropriate support in Jet Airways, buy its futures for the month of April and have some extra amount, like at least do it with 80,000 rupees in your account. That is one possibility. Second possibility that I can give you is, let's say you have 20,000 rupees in your account. So you have, this share is about 500 rupees right now. So, and I said that this is, let's say you have about 20,000 rupees with you and the share is roughly about 500 rupees. So you buy 40 shares, right? और जितने भी आपके पैसे हैं आप उसी हिसाब से उतने शेयर्स उस जेट एयरवेज के लेके रख लीजिए. And I can assure you it will give you 10% return. So that means if you invest 20,000 rupees, it will give you 2,000 rupees, right? But if you use margins if you use and you do day intraday trading, you probably will lose that 20,000 also. The third option that I can give you, because I always believe a trade should be done for at least 2-3 days. And the third option that I give you is you buy its April call, right? April call आप इसकी buy कर सकते हैं 520 की. अभी 21.05 की, आप थोड़ा और वेट कर सकते हैं क्योंकि अभी अगर निफ्टी नीचे जाती है, लेट्स से अगर निफ्टी का नीचे जाने का कुछ मूड बन रहा है, तो इन दैट केस आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी. ये थोड़ा सा स्टॉक और नीचे जाएगा बिकॉज कॉल पुट रियली मूव वेरी फास्ट. तो अगर थोड़ा सा कुछ ऐसा अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिलता है तो आप अप्रैल की कॉल ले लीजिएगा 520 की. एंड you have to keep the trade. अगर आपके पास कम पैसे हैं, then you buy either shares or you buy call, right? और अगर आपके पास 80,000 का है, then you can buy futures. But this share will at least give you good amount of money. That much I can tell you. But if you buy that share and you earn money, you have to promise one thing. Next trade onwards, you will definitely learn how to do stock trading. You will not do just because I'm saying about a trade or somebody else is giving you a tip. You will learn, right? And how you have to learn, you can learn from anywhere. But if you want to learn from me, my website will be ready by evening. You can log in, you can register yourself. The charges are not very high. I'm keeping it very, very reasonable so that most of the people can learn. And the idea is to educate you people. So, since I'll be using a lot of infrastructure and a lot of support from others, I have to have a full team. So that is why there will be a nominal charges. But you can look into industry, you will find the most reasonable charges that I will be taking from you people, right? So I'm giving you this trade for the month of April. Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a, if it is 507.50 today, I'm 100% assuring you this will go till about 550. I've given you all the options that you can do. And as far as the stop loss is concerned, I will give you the stop loss as well. And see here, this is what I'm telling you, it'll go till this point, 558. 558 पहले इसने अपना एक हर्डल तो क्रॉस कर लिया है आज, और अब इसका जो नेक्स्ट हर्डल है वो है 550. ठीक है, till that point you don't need to worry. You can just hold it and you can buy its call. If you have lesser money, you can buy number of shares if you want 100% authenticity. And the third thing that I've given you, you can buy its April future, right? But if you earn money out of this trade, you have to learn it. You have to learn it properly and then do it, right? So guys, this was my today's trade, but I have found a lot of good fundamental stocks. I'm running out of time. Quickly, I'll give you one stock, which is Sagar Cement, right? If somebody is interested in having a good stock in their portfolio, they can have Sagar Cements. This is one very good stock that I found yesterday night. So guys, all the best. Analyze your trades well and don't do intraday trading until you are excellent. Like you are very, very swift and you've been earning profit all this while in this. Then you can do. Otherwise, I would not suggest you. All the best, guys. Have a good day. करेक्ट ट्रेडिंग, दैट्स योर प्रॉमिस। बाय।